Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I ain't been able to upload all weekend because got builders across the road. Been an absolute nightmare. So I thought I'd pop into town and check out this fish and chip van that we've got. I've never been there before. So let's go and have a look what it's like. Right, here it is. What we got here? Designer Black Country chips, battered fresh chips, £3, and we've also got Black Country fish and chips, mushy peas or curry sauce. I think that's what I'll go for. Hello love, can I have Black Country fish and chips and curry sauce please, pal? Just salt please. So I've never tried this before, so it'd be worth a nice test. Right, there it is. She charged me a £5. We're going to get somewhere nice to sit, and then we'll give it a taste test. I asked if she had a website. She says she hasn't got a website. It says they're on Facebook somewhere, so I'll have a look at that when I get home, and I might link it. But we'll taste test it and we'll see. To be honest, it looks nice. I mean, the box looks really nice, like old-fashioned, ain't it? So then we're going to find a seat by the river and we'll have a taste test. Right, so found myself somewhere to sit by the river. Lovely. Now, I've just been reading some fun facts on this box here. Has any of you up Leeds way ever visited this shop? Oldest fish and chip shop in the world. Been serving fish and chips continuously since 1865. Some good little fun facts on this box. Women and fish and chips. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. It smells lovely, to be fair. Oh, look at that. I don't think the camera does that justice, to be fair. Look at the size of it. It's huge. For a £5. Jesus. Serve two, that would. I mean, there's my hand. See the size of it at the edge of the box, look. It's massive. It's absolutely massive. Right, let's give it a taste test. Well, I'm going to try chip first. Chips and curry sauce. The chips, I'm going to get this everywhere, I know I am. Tell you what, these Black Country chips are lovely, you know. Whether you had them in batter and that, they're absolutely gorgeous. Them chips are spot on. I haven't got a serviette, that's my problem. Let's try a bit of fish. Let's break some up. There's the fish. I mean, what's the fish now in the shop? I bet the fish itself's about a £5, isn't it, in the shop? That is absolutely gorgeous. That is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. Get some batter, crispy bits, whatever you call them. Oh wow. How about the camera work? My hands are all greasy. I haven't got a serviette, got to ask for one. This is amazing, honestly. This is absolutely amazing. So they're there every day, but I've never been there before. But wow, absolute wow. I've got nowhere to put the camera, there's nothing here, nothing around me. Only a bench on the river. Them chips and that curry sauce is lovely. It's spot on, absolutely spot on. I don't know whether the camera does it justice, the size of it. Let me put it on a bench, and you'll see what a bench. Look at the size of that. There's half the seat of the bench. It's huge. It's absolutely huge. Have you got a fish and chip van by you? Let me know if it's any good. Let me know what the price is. They charged me a £5. He did say £5.50, but she charged me a £5. So that's a bonus. So anyway, I'm going to go and eat this. As I say, I couldn't do nothing in the house. The Costa, we've got the builders, and they've been there all weekend. And the jackhammers and everything, the noise is horrendous. So I didn't been able to record or anything. So that's why I thought I'd come out today. Hopefully they'll be done today. Putting a fence up or something. But I'm going to go and eat this now. That was absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious that was. Wow. Unbelievable. £5 only as well. I went back and I thanked her. But it was absolutely stunning. Like curry sauce. I did go to the toilet and wash my hands out too. Grease everywhere. Forgot to pick up a napkin off them. But I say that's my home city's little van. She's there every day, she said. So I've only usually seen her on a market day, but she says she's there every day. So she says she's a bit quiet today because it's Monday. But there we go. Nice little review there. So I couldn't do nothing in the house because I've got the builders opposite. Building a fence or something. Had all the jackhammers out and everything. Knocking the concrete wall down, I think, or something. And put a fence up. So, as I say, if you like content like this, I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. I'm glad I only live 2-minute walk from town. It's brilliant. Bye bye. There's the culprits. Couldn't do nothing in the house all weekend. But never mind, everyone's got to work.